Write sentence using huwa and hiya. Number 3, appreciate the use of huwa and hiya in a sentence. Okay. Topics using huwa and hiya. Materials, Manila paper, pilot pen, flashcard, bond paper, plastic tape, TV, and laptops. Sana all. Ay, sa Smile, may laptops, pwede ka maggamit pati TV. Kompleto lahat. Sa Smile Integrated School. References, REMC page 19. So, gawa-gawa lang, wala mang kaming book. So, preliminaries. Procedure pala. Preliminaries. Opening prayer, Surah Al-Fatiha. Greetings. Checking of the attendance. Recall. What is the meaning of ismul isyara? Ismul isyara. Opo. Tapos, motivation. Warm up.
Singing the song, huwa. Magkalag.
Uy, hindi po kanjili ba?
Sample.
Motivation, warm up singing the song Huwa and Hiya. Ay, okay. So, group activities. Group the pupils into 5 and let them arrange to form the picture. Okay. Next.
Pag sinusal niyo Manila paper.
Bayad na kami Manila paper. Napabitaw taon.
Group 1, picture of a cat. Okay. Group 2, picture of a man. Group 3, picture of a teacher. Okay, discussion. Lesson proper. Let us read the huwa. Let us read the huwa means he. Refers to masculine pronoun. Let us read the hiya means she. Refers to feminine pronoun. Okay. Developing mastery. Examples, the use of huwa. Huwa rajulun, he is a boy. Huwa muhandisun, he is an engineer. Okay. 2. The use of hiya. Hiya ummi. She is my mother. Number 2. Hiya ukhti. She is my sister. Application. Write 3 sentences using pronouns huwa and hiya. 3. Okay. Application. 2 words lang po ang gagamitin. Opo. Tala ka ba? Okay. Evaluation. Underline the correct pronoun in the following sentences. Huwa hiya rajulun. So, huwa hiya imra'atun hiya. That's all. Thank you.